Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will discuss about class 10th subject will be chemistry and our topic is alloys. Dear students, we are studying the metals and non-metals. That is an important chapter in the chemistry of class 10th. Alloys जो होते हैं, these are the homogeneous mixtures. Alloys are actually mixtures. They are not a single phase substances, they are the multiple phase substances. Alloys are the homogeneous mixtures of two or more metals or homogeneous mixture of a metal with a non-metal. So alloys are, first of all, they are the homogeneous mixtures of two or more metals or homogeneous mixture of metal with non-metal. So alloys are the homogeneous mixtures of two or more metals or a metal with a non-metal. So these alloys are homogeneous in nature, hence they are the type of solutions. So they are also known as solid solutions. Now students, these alloys are very important chemical compounds. They are important substances. They are used. They have different properties. They are different properties than that of the constituent metals, and these alloys are very much important in our everyday life. First of all, we will discuss about the properties of alloys. Properties of alloys. These alloys have properties different to that of constituent metals in different varieties. For example, first of all, these alloys are harder than the constituent metals. Alloys are harder. They are harder than constituent metals. They are stronger than constituent metals. These alloys are more resistant to corrosion. They do not undergo corrosion as that of metals, so they are more resistant to corrosion. These alloys have high melting points than these alloys have lower melting points than their constituent metals. They have lower melting points than constituent metals, and they have lower electric conductivity than the pure metals. So they have lower electrical conductivity than the pure metals. So this is about the properties of alloys. Examples of alloys: duralium, duralumin and magnesium. These are the important alloys of aluminum. They are the alloys of aluminum. Steel is an important alloy of iron. Bronze and brass, they are the important alloys of copper. Bronze and brass, they are the important alloys of copper. So we will now discuss one by one about these alloys. So first of all, we will discuss about the bronze and brass. Bronze is an alloy of copper and tin. It must be noted that bronze is an alloy of copper and tin. It contains 90% of copper and 10% of tin. 90% copper, 10% tin. This brass is another alloy of copper. It is an alloy of copper and zinc. It contains 80% of copper and 20% of zinc. So bronze and brass are the important alloys of these copper. Stainless steel is an important alloy. It contains copper, it contains iron, chromium and carbon. stainless steel. It contains iron, chromium, and carbon. Another important alloy is the amalgams. Amalgams are the important alloys of mercury. They are the alloys of mercury. For example, sodium amalgam. This is our aluminum amalgam. So all these alloys of a metal with mercury, they are known as amalgams. An important alloy which is used in our in jewelry, that is the 22 karat gold, alloys of gold. Alloys of gold. Generally, this gold is present in the form, the purity, generally the purity of gold. Purity of gold is expressed in terms of carats. Purity of gold is expressed in terms of carats. Generally, the purest form of gold is 24 karat gold. So 24 karat gold is the purest form of gold. But this 24 karat gold is soft and it cannot be used for making jewelry. So in order to make this 24 karat gold harder, we are adding the 22% of gold and 2% of silver. This type of gold is known as 22 karat gold. So 22 karat gold, which is used in India for making the jewelry, it contains 22 parts of gold and 2 parts of silver. So hence this 22 karat gold is an alloy. It's an alloy of gold, and this alloy of gold is used for making jewelry. So this was about some important alloys which we are using in our day-to-day life. Thank you. Have a nice day.